Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and this is my very first tutorial. So let me tell you this that I am going to provide you with simple tricks which we as developers face day to day while developing the Android apps. So because there are already many tutorials on Android on the web, on internet, on YouTube, etc. So I'm just gonna give you some simple tricks. Okay, so I'm starting with material icons. So let me just give some introduction about material icons. So Android provides these material icons. These are in the form of icons in the form of XML files. I hope you are familiar with the XML files. Even if you are not, let me just show you. These are XML files. As you can see here, the extension of this file is .xml. So how did I get this? Okay, so right click on drawable, new, vector asset, and here you can see that Android has provided me with this donut icon, Android donut icon, and very fast I will click on this icon. So these are many icons that Android provides. These are provided inbuilt by Android. So let me just select one of these icons, like this, or maybe this one. We often have to use settings icon, so we can use this icon on settings tab. So just click OK, and here it appears in front of you. You can just override the size and opacity of opacity just means the transparency that you want to give to the icon. You can just change it if you have overridden, and you can change the size also, whatever size you want, 72 by 72 or whatever. By the way, I am just leaving it as it is, 24 by 24 and 100% opacity. So you can change the name also here. I'm keeping as it is. So next and finish. So this is the IC phone link. Okay, this is our icon. So there are two benefits of these material icons. First, that we can change the size of these material icons accordingly. For instance, I am giving it 512 by 512, 512 dp by 512 dp, width and height. Okay, so here you must be thinking that there is no change in the height and width, no change is visible here, but as you will run on the mobile, and on the mobile screen it will be visible, so it will make a difference. These size make a difference. The second benefit of this is that you can change the color according to your requirements. Whatever color you want to give to the icon, you can give. Like I have just given it the green color. This is what Android provides. Android provides this, us with these material icons. So we often face one problem, that we search for some specific icons and we don't find those kind of icons in the already provided inbuilt icons. So what we do, we try to find it online. So here's the thing, that if you find an icon online and you want it in XML form, .xml form. So how are you going to do this? So this is very simple. I go to this website. For most of my icons, I get most of my icons from this site, www.flaticon.com. So let me just type here whatever, maybe birthday. So this will give me all the icons related to birthday. So I'm kind of liking this icon. So you can see that this is an icon related to birthday events. So this is a black colored icon. So here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna choose it in SVG. Okay, I want an SVG file, so I can choose my desired color here. I actually like this color, so I am choosing it, and I'm gonna just download it, free download. Okay, so here you can see this is my SVG file at the left bottom of my browser screen, and I will open it in downloads folder. So this is my SVG file, so I will just simply not copy it, but what I will do is I will import it from here. Okay, so what I am gonna do is that I will open my Android Studio and right click on drawable. Again the same process, new vector asset, and now instead of the already selected option of material icon, I will choose local SVG, local file, SVG or PSD. So I have a PSD file. Okay, so what I will do is that I will browse it from here, or simply I will give its path, this one, and what was the name of the file? I will just copy the name of the file, .svg. Fine. So it is loaded. You can see that the image is loaded. Okay, icon, the SVG icon is loaded, and I will click on next button and then finish, and now I will open. You can see that this icon was the SVG file and now it is .xml file. I see confetti. Fine. So here comes our icon, the same color but not SVG file, it is XML file. Okay, so you can see that it contains different paths. Okay, path attributes file. So XML files are material icons are basically made of paths, one or more paths. So you can see many paths. Each and every path is related to one of these portions. This icon in particular contains many portions. So if I tend to change the color of any one portion, like this, sorry, I forgot to put a hash, so 9191 maybe. So this is dark green, and similarly I will change this to D3, so this is another green color, and I change this to E3, E4, E5 maybe, so another shade, and this I will give D3, D3, so this will be some shade of gray, and my computer is hanged, so I'm glad that my computer is back. So I hope you have understood this. This sums up the tutorial, that these are the material icons. You can use some inbuilt already provided icons by Android, or you can just simply download SVG files from the internet, anywhere from the internet, and just import it, the SVG file or PSD file, to your Android Studio project, and change your size and height, width and colors accordingly, and use these icons anywhere in your project according to the requirements. So hope you get something from this tutorial, and if you have any queries regarding this tutorial, or any kind of queries in Android, or if you want to work with some project with us, so kindly contact on info.appshub@gmail.com. So thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe the channel, and hit the like mark and the bell icon. Thank you for watching.